Okay. I hope all of this is set up right. Oh, I should add, where is chat box? There it is. Let's stick that in the corner here. Alright. So, I abandoned this project a long time ago, and I wanted to return to it. So that's what I'm gonna do. Hold on, wait. If I go back to... Where is it? Where's my event manager? There it is. That needs to be like that. Let's make that spawn spiders now. Welcome in, Jim. How's it going? And now we should see spiders spawning in the map. Yeah, like that. Cool. We don't have legs yet, because I don't really know how to go about doing inverse kinematics, but we'll figure that out at some point. Spiders and worms. And little grunt guys. That's not a grunt guy. Give me a grunt guy. There he is. He just does a little jump at you. So that's where we're at in the game so far. I think today I might want to go about making random levels. So I think how I'm going to do that is I'm going to make these like individual like room segments, and then I'm going to have it be a big grid that generates like this. And I can do that with I forget what it's called. It's not rule tiles. It's kind of like rule tiles. But just make a folder for rooms. Do a solid block first. And that one's already made. That one's already made. Then we're gonna need one that's like a cross. Just delete this now. You got speedrunners? That's awesome. If you want to join for one of the speedrunners versus viewers series, we can get that going at some point. I really enjoy playing speedrunners against fans. What if I just delete all of this as well? I'm really glad people are enjoying speedrunners as well. I really wanted to get into the competitive scene, but like nobody plays it anymore. Then one of them. Oh, there we go. Sick. We got a T junction. Let's call that south, west, east. Add a power up. Wait, game development? Yeah. We're doing game dev. I do want to add power-ups at some point, but that's quite a lot more complicated than it would probably seem. Right now I can pick up items, but I can't use them. We can see that goes into my player inventory, wherever it is. Yeah. let us... Which collider is this one? It's that, okay. I want to get rid of that. How do I... Wait. Oh, fuck. Okay, well, this is... Let me just... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's got 8 points. Excuse me? Oh, I'm looking at the wrong one. Blammo. Hello, Fumo. How's it going? Those 10. 3. That one looks like it's on 7 and 7 and 7, 7. -7. And 3. All of those are now where they're supposed to be. And we need another one. What are you doing? I'm making... So I have these like room tiles that I'm making prefabs of so that I can... in some, like, event manager, tile them together and make a level. And then, of course, enemies will spawn in the level and you go through it, get some power-ups, get some items, and then move on to the next level. I don't know if this is the most efficient way to go about this, but this is the way I'm doing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where is... Hello? Why can I not edit this collider? Oh, I can, okay. I might be able to make a way for this to automatically generate colliders for each room. But I don't know if I want to put that much effort in. I think this is working. So now if I walk into each individual bit, I can't walk through the walls. Very cool. Okay. That one has been created. Time to make a top one. That looks fun. I think it's fun making video games. I've never, like, finished a video game. But I've definitely done the process a lot. I think it's really fun starting a new project and just, like, dicking around in it. Which one is the big one? This? Yeah. And this one needs 6 points as well. Oh, shit. There we go. This will go here. feel like making video games reminds me of playing Gary's mod. Like you go into your little world and then you play around with the engine. Only it gives you a lot more freedom. What are you calling it? I'm calling it Project Fredstick because of an inside joke. I started this project with a couple friends. We never finished it. And we were trying to come up with a name, and one of my friends suggested that we call it Project something. Like Project whatever the game type was, which was a twin stick shooter. And two people blurted out Fred and Twin Stick at the same time, so it sounded like Project Fredstick. And that's what I'm going with. Let's see if this works. I mean, it should work. Yep. Alright. Oh my skigma? What the skibbity mogging senpai sigmas? I'll tell you what. This shit is skibbity Ohio. Am I right? Northeast, southwest. Blammo. What is this? Some kind of Suicide Squad? Actually, it's fantastic is what it is. Okay, now I need to make a script that creates those rooms. So, world gen? Say that again. What are we? Some kind of a Fantastic Four squad? Okay, I'm gonna be doing some coding now, which means that you're not gonna see a whole lot going on all the time, but we'll try. Rooms? You should definitely be a dev for my game, for real, if you can use gdevelop. I'm so awful to work with. My, like, motivation to work on code is just not good. It goes, I'll work on, like, a game for 9 hours a day for a month, and then I'll just completely drop it. Other than that, though, I don't really want to. Sorry. I would if I wanted to, but I just don't. Okay, so is this at the world origin? It's at the level origin, which is at -75. That's fine. I think I'm gonna put the player at the center. And Lewis, make a Metroidvania open world deck builder crafting mascot horror simulator. I think it would be really funny to make a video game that, like, used all of the tropes. Or all of the genres. Did you respond and say something? My dad was talking to me, lol. Yeah, I basically came up with a bunch of excuses not to develop your video game. Your dad left you. Same. I mean, I guess I always have my dad. He's sitting on my desk somewhere. Let's see if I can find him. Oh, there he is. Sitting behind a Coca-Cola can. I'll give you a free copy to stream. We were gonna do that anyways. You're making a Metroidvania, right? Or, yeah, that's what it is. Whoa, sounds like a good deal. Yeah, if you develop my video game for me, I'll give you a free copy of it. Okay, so here we also need a... Oh, maybe I'm not gonna do a list of transforms. I'll do a two-dimensional array of transforms that will be the rooms. probably be like $5, so save $5. That's a deal. How many rooms should it be? Should it be like 10 by 10 rooms? Well, it'll be like 8 by 8 with a border of solid blocks. I think that's fine. And then let's just like for I equals 0, I is less than 10, I plus plus. And then we'll do that again. Oh, this should be for this. This is dumb. It needs to be Y and X, not I and J, like I usually do. So you down, Law? No. Lewis, what if we make a game, you do all the work, and I'll just eat chips on the sofa while quoting The Great Gatsby? I mean, I'd be down with making a game with you, Shoggoth. Where you just, like, sit on the sofa and quote Great Gatsby. Because that's not very much different than what I'm doing. Only, you know, I would have company. With Shoggoth, I've known Shoggoth for very many years. He's one of my good friends. Actually, I was making a game back in high school, and he drew me some like character art for me to make. I'm a mod, he isn't. I didn't think about this. You're so right. Now you're starting to sound like Homelander. In resources? In rooms? Okay. So var new room equals instantiate. Resources. Oh shit. God damn it. Resources.load. I know how to draw pictures of giraffes. I'm pretty much like the key to any game dev team. That's so right. Also, it's a free copy. Shoggoth would upload it and make you pay even though you did all the work. Shoggoth, is this true? If I made a game with you and I did all of the work, would you upload it to Steam but not let me have it for free? How do you like this ASMR of me coding? Wait, why is this not? Oh, oops. That's why. There we go. Instantiate all rooms. Let's just do 1. No, let's just do 0. And then new room dot transform dot local position equals x times 10, y times 10, and minus 10 probably. Did your message not send? The one about the giraffes? Your giraffe one sent. Let's see what this does. This should make a bunch of these. It didn't make a bunch of those. Hold on. Incorrect. Oh, object not... Let's go back here. Resources, that is correct. What about this? Hold on. It won't send. YouTube is censoring you. Oh no. YouTube is biased against you, Jamie. Okay, let's see if that works. I guess it'll remain a mystery. Yeah. Unfortunately. Oh! Would you look at that? What the fuck is happening? Oh, the rooms are not 10 by 10 rooms, are they? Hold on, how big are you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 by 20. Okay. 20 by 20 rooms now. Once again, I'm being censored by the liberal media. God, I hate the liberal media. This is why I'm voting for Jill Stein again. Who is Jill Stein? I'm not a very political person, except for when it comes to making fun of Donald Trump. And there it is. The level has been created. New room dot set parent. Oh wait, no. Transform dot set parents. That's gotta be this transform. That way, the local position will go to the level. See, Lewis, I'm just better. Yeah. Also, by the way, can I call you Lou XD? I guess you can. I can't really stop you. My grandmother calls me Louie. Okay, now, like, why is this not in the right position? What is your... Your Z is 0. Got it. Let's just set that to 0. Yippee. Blammo. We got our rooms. I love how I made the worms make particle effects where they dig through. I think that's so fun. Okay, well, this is the level generation. What do you think, guys? It lets you send that, but not a yes or no answer. This is what the liberal media does. It makes even yes or no answers not work. X, let's make this x minus 5, and this be y minus 5. That way we center the level. I don't even know what I'm looking at, but I'm sure it's poggers. Well, right now I'm just making it to where tiles spawn at all in the world. Okay, now, like, why does that happen? That's not really how that's supposed to work. Oh, because of PEMDAS. Guys, remember parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, subtraction, addition, exponents. Remember. You gotta go check your laundry? Okay, I'll see you later. If you don't return, I will, I don't know, probably do violent things to you. There we go. I'm in the level. There's a spider. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sigma. I love Aunt Sigma. Also, I really don't want to be on another dev team. I'm already on a dev team with a couple other people, and it's a lot of work. I appreciate you want me to work on your game, though. I just don't have the time. Okay, now we need to make it to where when one of these tiles spawns, the door actually goes in the right position. So I think what I'll do actually I don't know what I'm going to do about that. I could make a list of I don't know. So if we start from the bottom left corner, the way that I've done this, we start by going left to right. So I could just always start with one of these corner bits, and then I could go, there is a door to the right, so there has to be a room here that has a door to the left. And then so on and so forth. The clothes are not done yet. No, Geode, I really don't want to work on your game. I'm sorry. I know it's unfortunate, and I know you really want it, but that's just not a thing I'm into doing right now. So I gotta rename this. So how about let's make a new script. And this will be let's just call it rule tile. Meaty gay boy again like last stream. I mean, what can I say? Gay people are just mean. Transform. Wait, no, this has got to be string. Let's just call it output, and then we can go def. Oh, public static string. Can I not? Lewis, make a game about me and my quest to make the best hot dogs in the world. I don't know about that one. I don't know if that's an interesting enough premise for a video game. Could be. Sorry, Geode, I'm too busy becoming the best League of Legends gamer in the world. Shoggoth, I think your quest to become the greatest League of Legends player in the world is one that I could never support. I mean, usually I'm like one of those people that's like to each their own, but when it comes to League of Legends, I think I will just say you should jump off a bridge. Like, that's preferable. In Minecraft, that is. remember how to... Can I go, like... What if Aiden asked you to support him in becoming pro Valorant? Like he told you he was quitting his job and playing Valorant full time. I would divorce him for a 9th time. I couldn't support that. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna go back to something I've done before so that I can check something. Wait, is it here? No. I actually have completely blanked on how to do a specific piece of code that I need to do here. Sorry, I had a mild stroke there. That's fine. Strokes are uncontrollable. Just gotta get it out of your system. Okay, I need to Google this. Fuck. Can I... No. One accessory. Unity. Stroke times 2. It happens. How about... we do this, and then int no, I don't want to do that. You're gonna spontaneously combust into 5,279.84 pieces. How do you combust into, like... Actually, that kind of makes sense. Yeah, that would work. I'm not gonna question that. Wait, can I do it like this? I can. Oh my god, I figured it out. I'm so smart. Okay. I can, So now... Lewis, you're so smart. I know. I know this to be true. So now if I come in here and then I initialize well, x can start at 1. So first we go here. We can delete that. And then we can go new room, local position equals. Would it be minus 80? Minus 80? 0. And then we're gonna go room. It's going to be this one, which is the second one. And then the rotation equals okay, and then we start here. Can you not spam me? Please? That would be nice. Or I guess that isn't spamming me. I just don't have the server muted, I guess. $90, 180. Second smartest guy you know. Who's the smartest guy you know? Yeah, I should go into Do Not Disturb. There we go. Okay, now if I start the world, we should get an L room that is faced up and to the right. Actually, I can just zoom out. Yeah. You're whispering to me in Discord? Yeah, I see that. Okay. Now, we start by going 1 to the right. The smartest guy you know is your older brother, Chris. He built your computer. I feel like building a computer is actually pretty easy. It doesn't require very much intelligence. However, I guess you're kind of implying that building a computer makes you smart, but not really. So I'll give that one a pass. But also, I bet you I'm smarter than your older brother. He's also smart in other ways. Yeah, that makes sense. So, let's call this one we're gonna call this 0-solid. We're gonna call this one 1 dash. 1. Sure. We're gonna call this 4-4, and so on and so forth, based off of how many doors they have. Can we get a promo channel in the Discord? Yeah, we can do that. He almost destroyed the government, but decided not to at the last minute. Compact disc. Yes, that is exactly right. Also, is your brother Ozymandias? Your brother's starting to sound like Ozymandias. Oh, that's still where it was before. That's good. No. Let's Skigma. I agree, we should Skigma. I think if everybody Skigma'd at least once in their life, the world would be a better place. I don't want the level, I want the player. Player, go back down to the corner, please. Where is the start of the level? It needs to go down a little bit. Actually, here. Player. You go minus 160, minus 80. Minus 160, minus 80. Same with the camera. Give the promo channel right now. Okay, I will do that. Blammo. All right. Skigma, my senpai Magas. I think my brain is like dying a little bit. Just a little bit. That's not correct. Wait. Hold on. 9 slices most like wait, cannot generate because it's too big. I'm sorry, Unity, for doing this to you. This video game looks scary, Lewis. I don't think I would be brave enough to play it. Well, it is a psychological horror with worms. Very terrifying worms. You guys should come up with types of enemies I can add. I'm already making spider, but it is incomplete. So now I go here and I go if rooms x y. Wait, I need to check left, up, right, and down of the current room. Oh, wait, no. Hold on. You should definitely show the promo channel on stream. What's in the promo channel? Just your server? I mean, it's on the server. So, if people join the server, they can look at your promo. I'm just gonna go like this, make a new one of these, and if y equals 0, or y equals 10, or wait, yeah, let's do that. And then yeah, okay, so that's fine. And then we'll go here, and then we'll go same with X. Can you make a giant enemy crab where you attack its weak points for massive damage? Add a wasp which is faster and has a lot of HP but drifts, and if it hits a wall it dies. I like that. You put the webcomic in my promo channel? Cool. I like these ideas. I think a giant enemy spider. I do like the wasp a lot. And the crab is very similar to the spider I'm making. But different enough that it's definitely a good idea. Okay. Oh, I need to do this up at the start. And then I need to do this here and load all of the rooms. And then do this. Oh crap. Copy that into here. Shit. Come on, go here. Not be declared in the scope because that. What? Is it because of this? It is because of that. Let's just comment all of these out for now. You're just being racist saying spiders and crabs look the same? Yeah. I did it on purpose, because I mean, I feel like being racist towards spiders is just the based position. Giant enemy Spoodermon. I'm gonna... I would add a giant enemy Spoodermon, but I feel like I'd get copyright struck for that. And because Sony is the one that owns Spider-Man, I feel like I'd get my cheeks clapped a little bit too hard. X times 20. Y times 20. That's gonna be 0. Let's see if that works. I thought you liked that. I mean, from a certain person, yes, but... Would you look at that? It kinda worked. Not exactly how I wanted it to. If y equals 0 or y equals 10, is there... There are duplicates. There are, okay. You should add a room with 2 straight across doorways as well. Oh, you're so right. I definitely overlooked that. I will do that in a moment. I don't know why this didn't work. Okay, if y equals 0, then do that. X equals 0, then do that. Well, let's do the same thing, but generate slightly less duplicates? I hope so. There's one duplicate there. Yeah, it generated less duplicates. That's a good start. X not and y does not equal 0. Now this should not make any duplicates. I think he just gave me brain damage as well. See, I can't even talk. Okay. No duplicates? No duplicates. Okay. Now, if y equals 10, oh, it's got to equal 9 actually. Right? Yes. And there we go. Now we do this again. And then we just go the same for x. If x is 9 and y does not equal 9, read the whole thing out loud. Read it all out loud. Okay. Oh my skibbity phantom tax got sim 3000 Rizzler rizzing my mogging senpai Sigma in the TikTok Riz party with Livy Dunn and Baby Gronk. Guys, chat, I think I'm blind. I can't see anything anymore. I think you just did I just hex myself? Fuck. Look what you've done. Look what you've done, chat. If x equals 9 and y does not equal 9 and y does not equal 0, does that do it the way it's supposed to be done? Let's see. Only one way to find out other than walking through it in my mind. Maths? Yeah. There's a lot of maths when making video games. Alright, chat. No duplicates. We did it. A few months back, I went to my sister's farm and stayed a few days. There's a young teen guy with a hoodie that said Skibbity Sigma on it. I've never wanted to beat up a child more in my life. Okay. But, like, if it's, like, ironic, that's really funny. I think I want a shirt or, like, a jacket that says Skibbity Sigma on it. That would be so funny. Okay, now when we do all this, oh, this can just be up here. We don't need to do that so many times. Oh no, we do need to. Wait. Oh, there's such a better way to do this. If it's ironic, it makes it worse for me. You're gonna go hunt down people for your game? Alright, good luck with that. Why does it make it worse if it's ironic? Don't you think, like, if a kid genuinely was, like thought Skibbity Toilet was funny, and, like, thought that, I don't know, being Sigma was, like, the peak of humanity, don't you think that would be worse? If y is greater than 0 and y is less than 9, then return. Both are terrible, but I'm just tired of the irony poised shit everywhere. I guess that makes sense. There is, like, I guess when everybody is ironic, it's like, what's the point of being ironic anymore? But, like, I was ironic before it was cool, so I don't know what to say. Oh, let's just do this. Oh no, I want to copy that. Okay. Now we do that. This should have the same effect of what I did before, but then it should be like half the lines of code and like an eighth of the checks. It didn't do it. Oh, is it break? It's not return. If it's not break, I can't remember what the other one is. Does it continue? Okay. Let's try that. Hold on. Oh, I see. Oh, what if I just do this? That's even less lines of code. I'm just making a black box. I did it. There should be no duplicates. I took that from like 20 lines of code down to like 4. Ain't that just epic? I love coding. I could... Welcome back. Are you going to be able to play this game on your Wii U? If you were to jailbreak your Wii U and put Windows 10 on it, then yes. Also, welcome back to stream. I made a black box. How cool is that? Oh, I need to add this new room to the rooms. X, Y needs to be new room dot transform. Okay, now let's call this new border. Oh my gosh, it's a person. Oh my gosh, it's a person in my chat now. Welcome to chat. And then we go, wait, hold on. This needs to be here. Let's see if that works. Welcome in, Jennifer Young. Also, the frozen geode is having a stroke again. That didn't work. Oh, this needs to be it now. Okay, hold on. Anyone here make game art, music, or code in GDevelop? If anybody here is a game artist, Geode needs one. I've done it. Now the player, does it go 20? No, it goes at minus 60. Sure. And then let's try that. Hello? Oh, my player's in the wrong position. Why is my player in the wrong position? I draw pictures of fat cats I see in my neighborhood, but that's kind of it. They're real fat. Can you send your pictures of fat cats into the art channel in my Discord? I would love that. They're private? But why? Why are they private? Only way you can see them is to solve my riddles. What are your riddles? I will do anything that I can to solve your riddles so that I can see your fat cat pictures. How big can I make a chat message? You're gonna find out. Okay, I'm ready for your wall of text that you're gonna send me. So now what I need to do, oh wait, I need to add this to, starts at 0, 0. So rooms 1, 1 equals new room, or let's call this origin room. Dot transform. Okay. Riddle me this, Batman. What is wet, but also dries? It's a towel. For sure. Geode is right. Because the more you dry with a towel, the more wet the towel gets. Definitely didn't steal my answer. I was gonna get it. That's one of them that is used in Batman Forever, isn't it? Or not Batman Forever, it's Batman and Robin. Actually, I can't remember. It's one of them. One of the really bad Batman movies. One that I definitely watched way too many times as a kid. Tissues at a Funeral. I've been to a lot of funerals because my family is massive, and not very many people cry. Oh, I just hit my desk. I think I've only seen like 3 or 4 people ever cry at a funeral, and I've been to just way too many. Okay. Void create tile. It's time that I make an actual function for this. Your Fumo, if you sent a message, it didn't like come through. You've been to 2, you've cried at 1. Yeah, I don't think I've ever cried at a funeral, but I did cry returning back to my dad's grave a few times. I like visit him every year on his birthday, and I cried a couple times. Wait, that doesn't need to be there. Let's call this transform create tile, and we're gonna return new room. Riddle me this game, man. This material is strong, but if you get it wet, it weakens easily. Hold on. I mean, paper makes sense. Paper is strong, but then it weakens easily if it gets wet. Oh yeah, Geo just says paper. It seems too straightforward and too obvious an answer to be paper, but I'm gonna go with that. What is wrong with you, emotionless? Wrong, okay. I was too like emotionally a wreck to be able to even cry. What is the answer, Shoggoth? Iron. Oh, that makes sense. Yeah, iron oxidizes faster underwater. And that weakens it. You literally rip that shit every day. You want paper? I mean, paper is still like, I mean, for how small it is. No fat cat drawings for you? Fuck. Yeah, trees are strong. They're like when you put a bunch of sheets of paper together, they're really strong. But I guess fair enough. Transform create tile. We're gonna call this index 1. Wait, fuck. New tile equals that. Is that even right? Hold on. It needs to be 2. It takes like 2 dictionaries to stop a literal bullet. Softcover. Do you have any pets? I do. I have a dog. I was gonna say I have 2 pets, because recently I had a cat, but we lost it. It was very old and it died. Dog boy? Yeah. I love dogs. Dogs are the best. Baby dogs are a bit of a struggle, though. They like to eat just everything and shit on just everything. Once they're trained, they're great. Vector to location and float rotation. You miss your family doggies? Your sister took them with her when she moved out? Wait, so are you saying that your dogs went to a farm? Sounds about right. Fuck. Stop. Don't autocorrect. Wait, what? Oh, because I accidentally called it rotation. There we go. Rotation times 90. That works. They're much happier there, and I would not have the time to care for them properly, so it was the best in the end. Yeah, my dog belongs to my parents. It's not my dog. I say it's my dog, but it's actually my sibling's dog who is being taken care of by my parents. I would never be able to own a dog on my own. Sorry that nothing is happening on screen right now. I'm doing quite a lot of coding all at once. Okay. Okay, that's fine, I guess. Let's call this new vector to 1, 1. And then this is going to be a rotation of 180 degrees. Let's see if I did all the things properly. No, I definitely did not. Oh. That's why. Position times 20. Position times 20. There we go. That should work. Have you heard of Star Wars? No, I've never heard of Star Wars in my life. But yeah, I grew up with Star Wars. The movies I watched like millions of times, over and over again. I was a very big Star Wars fan. Okay. So this can just be create transform new tile. Fuck. Create tile. That'll be 0, and then new vector 2. It's going to be x and y. And then we can just get rid of all this. And now I've simplified the code a lot. Like that class we took in high school. Yeah! I almost forgot about that. That's actually crazy that we had an entire class that was based around Star Wars. Shoggoth and I went to high school together, and we took a class called Jedi Academy, where we did a whole bunch of Star Wars themed, like, things. Okay. Now I need to actually start generating the level, and that... I don't know how I'm gonna do that. I mean, I do know how I'm gonna do that, but it's gonna be a lot of effort. Okay. So here I'm going to declare a new int. This is going to be called something like bordering or borders. I'm going to set that to 0. And then we're going to go... I watched all of the movies. We made lightsabers from trash. They sewed robes, and the teacher was hot. Okay. Best class. I feel like that last comment was unnecessary, but... Sure. It was the best class. I enjoyed it so much I took it twice. The second time around, there was, we did, like, stage combat. I think the stage combat was really cool. Lewis, you don't understand? What do I not understand? Water break time, by the way. Alright, water break is over. Okay, so... I'm going to look at all of the surrounding tiles to the north, the east, the south, and the west. And then I'm going to go, if there is an open tile... Wait, no, I should only do to the south and the west, because I move north and east while I'm constructing the level. So if I check if it's possible to put a tile to the south and the east. Yeah, the south and the west. That's all I need. However, I am realizing that I need to keep track of if the rooms have doors in like certain positions. Oh, this is also complicated. That Gwen was hot. Okay, well, you're straight, so... That makes sense. I feel like Gwen was kind of conventionally attractive. But also, like... She was just kind of a nerd, so, like... If you're at all demi and you're a nerd, then that's just going to, like, skew your opinion. So, basically what I'm saying is you're a nerd, Shoggoth. Okay. I'm going to make a property drawer And in that property drawer, I'm going to keep track of the transforms and what direction their doors are. Public class room. This is going to contain a public transform, and it's going, oh shit, and public int doors, and then I'm just going to have the doors be like binary. So if there's one to the north, that's +1. If there's one to the east, that's +2. One to the south is +4, and one to the west is +8. And then I will be able to tell exactly where the doors are and how many there are just by that one number from 0 to 15. Okay, and so this is not going to be a public transform anymore. This is going to be a public room. And then those need to be changed to that. This should still work. Let's see if it works. It doesn't. Why? Why does it not work? I really didn't change anything there. Okay, well... create, this is going to be room, create tile, turn, new room. Let's call this new tile. Wait, wasn't there already a... There was. Fuck. Okay, let's go room equals new room room equals new room dot transform. This is so funny. That's a lot of just like room. I'm just gonna return room. Room dot doors. Do we know what the doors are gonna be? No. But we'll figure that out in a second. Actually, I can just wait. Hold on. Yeah, cool. I can set room XY to the new room. It's probably still broken, but I guess we'll see. No, it's not. Epic. Hello? There we go. We can cycle through all the rooms. Very cool. So when we create a new room, we have to check. Oh no, we have to, what we have to do is record its doors. So we know that I'm gonna do this later. I feel like this is something that I'm gonna have to spend like 1,000,000 hours on off stream for sure. Which is gonna be just like the most boring thing ever to watch. So you know what we're gonna do instead? Probably end stream right here. My brain has turned to mush. Thank you for watching. It's been fun. Hopefully there will be a lot more progress by the next time we see this, or you see this. Goodbye.